Hi Best Buds, it's Kathy with Kathy's Garden. I am so happy that you joined me today. Today I'm going to make some clusters to go into my journals that I have here. But first, let's have our shout out to Kay, Nancy, Joyce, Ricky, Shelley, and Jane. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, you guys, I've been working on these journals and I need a little something for my clusters. So this one has the pink and the splatter paint that I did on here. And this one's in the black and the pink. And I need clusters to go on these pages. So let's get right to it. So I decided I wanted to use these little tiny library cards right here. Little itty bitty tiny library cards. And I went ahead and I took my ink and I went around the edge of the ink with the edge of the printable with Victorian velvet. Then I have some of the paper that I splattered paint on. This one has gold on it. And I just thought that I would just kind of make it a little darker around the edge here and there. And I have some material that I frayed, and I have a little bit of pink lace. I was thinking that I could lay this down, maybe something like this. Let's get our fabric tack and just start to do this. So I hope everyone's doing well today. I worked on flower arrangements yesterday. I need to make some more today. We were going to go pick tomatoes and more flowers this morning, but it was so foggy and I cannot pick certain flowers when they're wet. It just spreads disease. So we're not picking flowers or doing tomatoes because I went out there to let the dogs out. A couple of the dogs need to go outside. And oh my gosh, you guys, it is so blistering hot out there. There is no way I am going out there. I'm not doing it right now. Maybe later this evening I'll be able to do it, but not right now. It's just too hot. So I thought, okay, I need to make myself a video for everyone. Get on and say hey and show what I'm up to and see if this sparks some imagination for all of you to make some things or give some imagination to come up with some other things for your journals. And just to say, hey, how are you guys? What you doing today? I put glue on the back of this, and I don't need glue on the back of that. So I'm just going to wipe it off. It'll dry soon. It'll dry quickly. Alrighty. That's not exactly what I had in mind, but it's still pretty. And now I thought that I would put maybe 3 little pearls right here. So let's get to that. Where did I just put those? I put one here. I can't see where my glue is now. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Get that on there. Get this down because it's not even enough for me. There. Oh, that is sweet, don't you think? I think that's very sweet. All right, now I have some that I'm going to make for the ones with the black lace. I'm going to get this over here, move this out of the way. What I did was I got some seam binding. It's just ribbon. And I went ahead, because it is seam binding, it will fray. So I cut it with my pinking shears. And I'm going to go ahead and lay this black down right here, and I'm going to glue it on. So here we go. Let's see here. Let's wipe this off a little bit. It's kind of messy. Let's see. Here we are. Okay. get a strip of glue down. There we go, just like that. And put this down here. I'm going to do something in a little bit with the finished products. I'm going to finish it off with a new technique that I've been using. And I believe the first person that I saw use the technique was 49 Dragonflies. So I am going to put this down now, just like that. And I think I want to, I think I wanted to put this on first, but I need to know how far down to put it. This glue is making it, glue is everywhere. So let's see, let's get some more glue on here. I wanted this to be underneath that little miniature library card. So I'm just going to put it like that. Then I'm going to take this. Hopefully that glue isn't completely dried out. Then I'm going to take my pinking shears and I'm just going to recut this just like that. That didn't cut very nicely there. And I want to cut it right down here. There we go. Now what I'd like to do is get some of the pink, and I would like to put it, let's see, I think I want to put it on the black just to make it pop. So I'll lift them off with my little pin and get them right on here. Once again, my fingers are so gluey, making everything stick to them. Push this over just a little bit, just like that. I think I'd like to put a little bit of, soften this a little bit. Yes, I like that a little better. Get that all soft here. All right, isn't that sweet? So now what I was thinking I would like to do, get this all mess all cleaned up here, is I've got a little water in here, and I've got my little popsicle stick with the water, and I have some wicker white folk art matte finish acrylic paint. So I'm going to be generous in this, and I'm going to generously squeeze some in here in the water, and I'm going to mix it up. I might have too much water in here. I'm not sure. I think I need to add a little bit more paint because I really want it to be, I really want it to be quite white. Let's see here. I have a get a little wild here. I'm going to add a little bit more paint to this mixture. And I think it's pretty much stirred up. Alrighty, now I have this paintbrush here, and it is called a fan right here, a fan paintbrush. And I'm going to get something to knock it against here. This will work, my ruler. I'm I'm going to get some paint on here, and then I'm going to splatter. There, that's what I wanted. My little, do you see how it's splattered? Oh, I really like it because it will go with my splattery little signatures that I have going on. So let's see here. Oh, that's what I wanted. I wanted some big splatters. There we go. I think I'll redo this one over here. Let's redo this one. See if we can get some bigger splatters. Give it another go here. Ah, there we go. That's the ticket I wanted. So they need to dry, but when they do, they will be beautiful for my signatures. Oh, you guys, I've had great fun. And if you've enjoyed the video, I hope to see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.